That's weird. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of the Aquarius-Cxdy YouTube channel. So the other day I asked you guys on the social medias, which would you rather see, an unboxing or me trying to fix my truck? And the majority of you guys decided to say, shoot an unboxing video. Although some of you guys did say, work on the truck, which will be another video at another time. So, to get into it, we're gonna do an unboxing video today. Alright, so we're gonna try to do the rest of this unboxing video with one hand because this just seems easier. Alright, first thing we do, we get in here, we see a bunch of different things. Oh, this is the platform plate. Okay, so this is where the platform goes. This is the stand. Okay, cool. We have the adapter. Okay. I'll probably read the instructions to get a better idea on what that is. Instructions. Must have instructions. And looks like HDMI cable type with a nice Samsung there. Alright. Now we got styrofoam. Yay. That's some nice styrofoam. Is that a thing? Nice styrofoam. Okay, so we're gonna uncover this now. Wow, that is very, very white. I don't know why I didn't expect that, but it is very white. I'm gonna put the camera down because I don't know how else to do this. Alright, so we're gonna try to lift it up with the camera like this. See how it works. Excuse the mess. I apologize. But yeah. Okay. Apparently my dimensions are off because I did not know what 32 inches was. Oh my crap, this thing is huge. Look at this thing. This thing's pretty massive. Compares to my TV. Yeah. I thought my TV was bigger than that, to tell you the truth. Which is also a Samsung. So, Samsung, hit me up. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to build the stand to make sure I have some place to put it before I actually start talking about it, because it was, I don't know why I didn't think 32 was a very big size, but it's rather huge actually. Okay, so this is the actual stand that goes to this. Okay, it's nice. It's got a gloss to it. It's got like not a gloss, but like well, it's not gloss, but it's like a, yeah, I don't know. This is a gloss white right here. So this is really nice. So I gotta be careful because white things don't go very well with me, because I'm a mechanic and I'm always dirty. So we'll have to see how that works. And then this is the other part of the stand. Which obviously it's going to be white as well. Actually, it's really nice. stand, actually. I'm not against that. Like, I don't know if you can see the glare. There you go. That's a really nice finish. And it's got instructions, which, you know, we don't need because I'm cool. And then it's got a little bolt in the back here. Come on. It's got a little bolt in the back here that I'm assuming will go where the stand goes, which is right here. So all you would have to do is just find an angle where I can show you. And then you would just put the stand in, like that. Pretty simple. And then this right here, in the back, what you would do is screw it in. I'm thinking this tab actually comes up. Yep, so the tab will come up like that. So if you don't have like a screwdriver, it'll be a lot easier to turn it. So you can turn it like that. Screwdriver is not even necessary. If you need it, there is a Phillips head style on the screw, but nice and sturdy. To tell you the truth, I might try this out for like a little bit to see how it's like, but I might actually change this out to actually a wall mount, kind of like where my TV's at right now, because I don't have a whole lot of space on this table. Even how large this table is, I don't have a whole lot of space. My computer's taking up a lot of that space. So we'll see how that works later on. But now you would hook the TV up to this right here. So let's try do that without destroying my TV. Let's see if I can get a good. Actually, hold on. Okay. Yeah, it's supposed to hook in just like this. I would assume you just. I don't want to break this. So I was doing that wrong. Let's not do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this phone piece down right here. Then I'm going to put the monitor right here. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to lay down the monitor. I laid it down with some styrofoam. And then you're going to put this in here. Don't try to do it the other way. I tried it already. It's not going to work. You're probably going to break your TV or monitor. So be very careful. So just like that. That's all it takes. Now, since we have it down here like this, let's take a look at the back of this monitor. Okay, so what it has here is it has a TP in, okay, and also has an HDMI slot here. This right here would be for your headphones. Now this monitor does not have speakers, so you're going to have to use the headphone jack if you want any kind of sound on it. This is where you would plug it in for the power. And then back over here is the power switch. Oops, let me get that out of the way. It's the power switch. Now this is actually a toggle switch as well, so it goes up, down, left, right. Press the button and it will turn on or off. This is mostly for the settings, left and right, and I'll show you guys that in just a second. Also, it has 4 holes here where you can put it onto a wall hang, kind of like what my TV is doing right now. Just kind of chilling on the wall, which, sorry for the lights. It's just kind of chilling on the wall, which is what we're probably going to do eventually later on that wall. This is what I'm replacing it with, by the way, is this thing right here, this old piece of crap. So, and then my computer. So, which, if you guys want a video on that later, let me know. Perfect. Alright, so as you see, it's very large. Very large. And I have my computer on in the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on from the button in the background here. The screen will turn on. There you go. Now you're on my desktop. Okay. So first glance, I like it. I think it's nice. It's like I said, it's 1080p. So it's not like 4K. It's not gonna be something incredible out there and stuff. But for what it is, it works. You know, it's large. If you need a large screen to play with, this is really nice to have, and it's fairly cheap as well. So in the back here, you're also gonna have some settings that will show. Okay, so if you go up, it'll work with like sharpness, contrast, the brightness. You can move left and right to work with it. Okay, if you select it, you can go up here to the menu, which will give you a better picture of like pretty much the settings of what you're gonna be working with on this as well. So, and then oops, no, I don't want. Okay, then you go to this here. This is your source. So if you want to go to the other sources or anything like that, that's how you would switch around. Obviously right here is your power. Just shut off the TV, the monitor completely. And this right here is called eye saver mode. So you would switch this on and it'll switch to kind of like the phones do. Like it would be like that yellow kind of tint display for night to make it easier on your eyes. So that's a pretty cool feature. I don't want it on right now, but yeah, that's pretty cool to have. All in all, I'm happy with my purchase that I got. It's fairly large, which in comparison to my old one, which you saw, is a pretty good upgrade. It's supposed to, I bought this mostly for editing. I'm not a big gamer, so I was gonna try and show you guys some footage on the PlayStation 4, but my PlayStation 4 just doesn't want to play with me, so can't do that. But yeah, over and all, guys, I don't know if you guys want to be a gamer. It seems like it would withstand pretty well to me. It's not exactly the highest of qualities, but nonetheless, it's still really good. I found this on Amazon for like under $300, which for me, a monitor that's under $300 that's this big is kind of a steal. You know, it's like I said, not the greatest of qualities, but if you want to go to a 4K and stuff like that, obviously the price range is going to expand much more, unless you're looking for something even smaller, which I'm not. I want something very big so I can see everything that I'm doing for editing style. So if you're an editor, or if you like big screen TVs, I would definitely recommend this. This is it's a good monitor, and it works very well. I was playing around with it just a few minutes ago with some of the editing software that I use, and it works. It works really well. I like it. I like it a lot. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. If you guys like this, please let me know. And I'm not very much an unboxing kind of guy and stuff, but I'll try my hardest next time, even harder next time. It was just kind of more of a test to see how people thought about it, or how people would like me to do it or not to do it. But yeah, we'll see what you guys think. If you guys liked it, let me know in the comment section below, or hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, so that way you guys can see the next stuff that is coming out for this YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I hear people like that. Fearless.